set of 35 impact duty bits from Milwaukee. It is a great choice for professionals who need reliable bits for heavy-duty applications. The set comes in a convenient plastic carrying case with a transparent top and all the bits being nicely packed and organized. The bits are made from a hardened steel alloy with a shock-absorbing collar that helps to prevent them from breaking under impact. The shanks are nickel-plated for corrosion resistance. The bits are also magnetic, so they are easy to remove from the holder. The set contains following 25mm shockwave bits: 6 Pozidriv, 5 Phillips and 13 Torx, as well as following 50mm shockwave bits: 1 Phillips, 1 Pozidriv and 5 Torx. The set also contains 3 48mm shockwave hex magnetic nut drivers and 1 60mm shockwave magnetic bit holder. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.